We have here a Razer laptop. This one has a really weird history. We could maybe consider it a dead laptop now, I'm not sure. So let's have a look what's happening here. So this is the original battery that was in there. So there was an issue with this laptop before, and the technician, I don't know what they've done, but the machine started working. And then customer reports battery is not charging, so they replaced the battery. And after a week or so, this one is also not charging. They got a second battery, and that one is also not charging. So right now we got one of the new batteries and the original battery that is there. And also another problem is they've done a damage to the DC jack port, probably plus and the negative touched, and burned the connector. So let's have a look at that port area first. See what's going on, if there are pins touching. Yeah, that is not good news. Wow, that is a new class of screw up. Okay. Yeah, it's all burned. Okay, so let's have a look at here. See if there is a short. Fuse is good. No short on the 19 volt rail. Okay. This board has tons of fuses. Okay. Let's see what happens with the battery connected. Nothing. Is there any voltage? Literally no voltage on the battery, which is kind of weird. we connect it like that, do we still have a short? I'm not sure. No short. So this should maybe charge the battery. So it may explode, it may not. Let's see. Plug in the power. Nothing there. Get a green light. Power on. Okay. It says it's charging the battery. Okay, so let's go into BIOS. i7 7th gen. Okay, secure boot is off. Then we can run into KTV, USB, and let's see the behavior. It froze. I plugged in the USB. Oh, there we go, it's back on. Okay, disable fast boot. Okay, we'll disable the internal SSD. Is it F12 to go into boot options or F1? F12. Okay, let's boot into KTV. Alright, 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's have a look at the battery mon app. It says 36% available. Oh, okay. $17,944 milliwatt hours. Interesting. Fine, now it's connected. 1, 2, 3. There we go, it turns off. Definitely a charging circuitry, or maybe battery, but most likely charging circuitry. Something's not right. That will be it for this video. We'll need to check with the client, see what they want to do.